Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's vlog is for those people who are being so kind, so good in commenting and telling me that you know we'll take care of you and the kids. Thank you so much, brothers and sisters. Thank you so much for actually lending me a helping hand. But let me tell you this: I am an independent girl. Um, you know, an independent mother. Basically, I can take care of myself, I can take care of my kids. In case someday I feel I cannot take care of them or I'm very sick or something, I will definitely put it up on the video. Don't worry, I will not try to hide it. Apart from that, there's this small thing what I want to tell, that I was married to a person whom I loved, of course, yes. I love that person, that's the reason I got married to him. However, that person changed so much that that love eventually disappeared. It disappeared for the person he had become. So I tried enough for 6.5 years. In this July, it's gonna be 7 years almost. I will try till the possible thing I can. For people who are messaging me, asking me about my divorce, yes, let me tell you this: I will not stop the divorce. Third notice is left. That is left because I wanted to file a court case. I will not stop the divorce because, see, if you try to clap from one hand, it won't ever be possible. So as I said in my prior videos, that I was the one trying. I have stopped trying. Let me see, in case this relation has to be saved, it will be saved no matter what happens. In case not, no one on this earth can save this. But there's this one guilt. The reason why I'm getting too stressed and all is because day night I've been with that person for 6.5 years, and it is so painful, the memories, because I questioned myself, was that all a lie? The babies were born in his hand, they were growing in front of him. Was that all a lie? Was all the feelings that he shared, all the old messages what I read used to message, was that all a lie? I really don't understand. If that was a lie, very well played, my ex. I will definitely call you my ex, because you have died the day you have changed. You have, the person I met at the very last, that was not you. So let's see what happens. That's what was disturbing, and that's the only reason I'm going, getting too stressed, because all the memories haunt me. Yes, it will take time. It will eventually take a lot of time, or maybe 2 days, maybe 3 days, 3 years, 30 years. I really don't know. But then, yes, I will keep trying till my very last end of life. And right now, I'm in Hyderabad. And it's a very beautiful place. But then still, पीस ऑफ माइंड मुझे तभी आएगी जब मेरे बच्चों के साथ जस्टिस होगा, या फिर दो चीज़ हो सकती है. या फिर he either apologizes in front of the whole world and say he's not capable of taking care of the kids, and he confesses all his lies. Second thing, he either gets back to the same normal person as he was, and understands his mistake, like personal level pe. That's from my side, people. And just one thing, एक और चीज़ confess करनी है. My love for him died, and I have already told this on his face, is because it died the moment my trust started breaking in small things. Like I used to think he will take stand for the kids, stand for me, he will try, put some efforts. वो जब टूटने लगा ना, my trust eventually died in him. And that's the reason I don't really hate the person I first met. I still love that. अगर वो मेरे सामने आ जाए, I can give up everything for that person. But then the person I left is not the person whom I loved. So that's from my side, and प्लीज़ गाइज आई वुड अप्रिशिएट जो भी आप कमेंट्स कर रहे हो, कीप इन माइंड दैट यू नो आई रियली डोंट वांट टू गेट इनटू एनी मेन, any relation, anyone. I am very happy. It will just take time for me to recover from all these things what I've been through. Yes, it will take time, and there is a cure for everything. Let me see how much time it does take. That's it from my side, and I'm feeling much better. Just weakness hair baby, but then I cannot stop working is because I have to look after 2 of my kids. Their responsibilities is on my head. I had come down for dinner, but dinner में कुछ इतना खास पसंद नहीं आ रहा है. I just had some juice. I'll go back to the room, speak to my kids, make them sleep, and that's it. नीचे बहुत सारा शोर है. थॉट कि यार चलो व्लॉग ही कर लेते, बिकॉज इन माई फ्री टाइम आई एम ट्राइंग टू व्लॉग एज मच एज आई कैन. दिस इज़ द वे आई एम गिविंग हिंट्स डायरेक्टली इनडायरेक्टली टू द पर्सन हु थिंक्स द शू फिट्स इन, सो दैट लेटर ये ना बोला जाए यार मैंने चांसेस नहीं दिए. मैं बहुत चांसेस दे रही हूँ. आई एम बीइंग वेरी नाइस. आई एम गिविंग as much as chances I can. I gave you a hint in the prior video also of the proof and all. Now also I'm giving you some hints. The people who are good to you right now, they're going to leave you very soon. Don't trust the people around. And one small advice to all the single people out there, please get married only if you're ready to take responsibility of the opposite person, responsibility of having kids. Please don't get married until unless you're prepared for it, because getting married is easy, getting separated is very easy, but वो जो ट्रॉमा बच्चों पे बीतता है, the question in their whole life, it's not easy यार. I go back to the old videos of my bachas. I see the way they were growing and all. There are many things, many memories which is good for them. That will always be good for them. That cannot be changed. But then वो उनके दिमाग में जब वो बड़े होके देखेंगे तो उनको ऐसा लगेगा इतना बड़ा धोखा हमारे साथ, हमारी तो कोई गलती भी नहीं थी. सो अक्सर हमें पनिशमेंट उस चीज़ की मिलती है जिसकी हमने कभी गलती नहीं की है. सो बी स्मार्ट, प्लीज़ टेक योर टाइम, डोंट गेट इनटू एनी ट्रैप्स. एंड वन biggest thing I've learned, please respect everyone's religion. Please have humanity, have basic humanity. Don't think कि हम ये प्रेयर करेंगे हमारे पास बहुत सारा पैसा आएगा, हम ऐसा करेंगे पैसा आएगा. प्लीज़ अंडरस्टैंड जो भी आप करते हो गलत वो आपके सामने आता है और ऐसे टाइम पे आएगा जब आपको समझेगा भी नहीं आपके साथ क्या हो रहा है. सो प्लीज़ डोंट गेट इनटू ट्रैप. pray to the your own God, own faith. Faith is very important, and respect God. Please respect God. Any God, whatever you believe, please respect. Have good feelings. Have faith in yourself. You will eventually get what you want in life. But don't just वो greedy mind से अगर आप pray भी करोगे ना वो pray पूरा नहीं होगा. So please don't do anything which will cause more harm to you, because if you try doing something and getting someone with something, that will hurt you and your family. Don't do it. Take care. See you. Stay safe and enjoy your days. See you.